Hello, this is a tutorial on how to remove battery from Ulanzi TC001 clock. Without the battery there is no heating, and the clock will not turn itself off and will act as an always-on display. First, power off the clock by holding left and right button. Now you will need a heat gun to loosen the glue. Go around the corners. Then use plastic plyer tools that are made for this kind of disassembly. You will need to heat the plastic cover multiple times. I broke my plastic plyer tool, so use the little breadboards I had. Don't do the same as me, as there is a great chance that you will break the cover, but I didn't have other plastic pliers. As you see, I somehow managed to get the black plastic off. Lay it on the table so that the glued side is faced up. Now unscrew the 8 screws. Now take off that black plate. Here you have the LED plate. Use the screwdriver to lift it up. Now unplug the battery and unscrew 2 screws that are holding the battery in place. Screw back the plastic with 2 screws. Now we will need to use soldering iron to make one connection. Without this connection, the clock won't power itself on when you plug in the USB cable. It will only power itself when you turn it on by manually pressing the left and right button on the clock. Here is a zoomed picture. Don't worry if you solder more than the first pins. The 4 left pins and 4 right pins are connected on the board. The hard part is done. Now you can reassemble the clock. You can reuse the original glue that was on the black plate. Now when you connect the USB cable, the clock turns on automatically. You can see that mine has now been up more than 12 hours. This is it. Please like and subscribe.